it's Lori Dawn from the City of Brantford.
And I'm Jake from the County of Brant.
And we are so excited to be launching our new Healthy Kids Community Challenge Power Off and Play initiative, the Nature is Best free community summer program.
Did you know that Participation just released their report and Canadian children are receiving a D grade for physical activity and quality sleep?
We think we can improve on that here in Brantford and Brant. This summer, score an A by participating in this free, fun, and interactive program. You have the entire summer to complete as many outdoor activities on the list as possible.
Download and print your free passport and keep track of your progress. Enjoy nature, outdoor play, and experience the wonderful facilities and opportunities available to you right here in the area, free of charge.
Did you just say free?
All free, Lori Dawn.
That is awesome. And in addition to fun, fresh air, and sunshine, there are also great prizes available. Complete at least 10 activities, submit your passport, and be eligible for exciting prizes that will keep you moving.
Let's go, Brantford Brant. Let's get out and play.
We got this.
The Nature is Best program is brought to you by the following project partners: